Hey guys, my name is Alex and this is the first build video of my R32 gtst. This video will be a little bit different from others because I hadn't recorded any previous work that I'd done to the car, but I wanted to get you guys caught up. 4 years ago, I traded my E36 M3 for a gtst that was in pretty rough shape. It had a misfire, tons of boost leaks, Honda headlights, and was pretty much beat to shit. Despite all the bad, the car had some decent upgraded parts on it, and also came with a few sets of rims. The first thing I wanted to do was get under the hood and get everything running properly. I removed the copper pipe, fixed some boost leaks, and took care of the misfire. I also picked up some aftermarket parts like GTR headlights, e-spare front bumper, and an electronic boost controller. Finally, I got the rims powder coated, and with new tires, I thought I was good to go. Unfortunately, the next time I was driving the car, I came to a stop and couldn't put the car in gear. Figuring the clutch had gone, I had it towed home where I discovered that all the clutch kicking that the previous owner had done had bent and broken the clutch pedal assembly, and it was no longer actuating the master cylinder. While I was under the dash fixing the pedal assembly, I found a bunch of sketchy wiring. So I cut all the unused wire out and soldered and covered all of the exposed connections. I drove the car that way until a crack in the paint started leaking rust down the rear quarter. I stripped back the paint area, which revealed that the bottom underneath had cracked, letting water in. Luckily, I had already decided I wanted to restore the car, so I stripped it down to bare metal after taking it off the road. Life got in the way and I had to put the whole project on hold until now, roughly 3 years later. The car is in bare metal, the bodywork is underway, and the engine is out of the machine shop. There's a ton of work to be done, and I can't wait to get to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.